This channel is kindly sponsored by KA.Models.co.uk, your one-stop shop for all your model making needs.
Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. We've had a prezzie, folks, from Ron Hetem, yes. So before we unwrap this, a big thanks to Ron and his Hetem. Pop over to his channel and share the love, folks. And when you see him in my streams, give him a nice little welcome, folks. So we'll get this off camera, we'll open it up, we'll come back and we'll see what he's kindly sent me. First up, we got a message here. It says, a gift from Ron Hetem. Enjoy your gift, it says, and thanks for being a friend, from Ron Hetem. Oh, bless you, mate. Well, thanks for being so generous, mate. I'm thinking of dear old Festa. Right, what have we got? We have got, look at this. We got 2 kilograms of water washable even, photopolymer resin for the 3D printing and printing this. Now, Ron's a dark horse here because we was in the Zoom the other night. We was just all chit-chatting about stuff, and James was in regaling us with his 3D printing stuff that he does, and we was chatting about ChatGPT and creating bespoke resin prints and that, and James was going through some software that he uses to do these things, and I was quite blown away, if I'm honest, because I traditionally tend to do a lot of my stuff on Fusion and other CAD software, but it kind of opened my eyes really how AI seems to have simplified all these processes. So we got chatting and I was on about the stuff on 3D printing at the moment and projects I've got planned. And I should have known that old James Bond himself, Ron, was listening, and he's kindly sent me this. And he chucked me a message yesterday and said, you're going to be getting something. He said, because I know you're going to be doing a lot of this. He said, so I hope you don't mind. He said, but I've treated you. And this is what he's got me. And he's got me the Elegoo Water Washable 2 photopolymer resin there. Gives you all the blurb, shaky and all of that. Like, if you're new to 3D printing this stuff, you can actually clean up with just water in a tub, etc. And then when you've finished cleaning it up, you put your tub of dirty water out in the garden in the sun. Let any floating resin cure and then dispose of that, and then you can get rid of the water. So yeah, normally I use IPA to clean everything. This is my first foray into water washable, but I've had a look at it and I can set a profile up on my printer specifically for this resin. So yes, I'm looking forward to using it. So it says there, search resin setting on elegoo.com and see production and expiry date on the label, which lets me know it was made in April this year and it expires in 28. Because not a lot of people know that resin has an expiry date, folks. So keep an eye on your dates. So there you go. That is 2 litres of the stuff. Now, a big thanks, Ron. You know, he thinks of me and he's got an uncannily, I swear blind, he's got my room bugged because he knows when I'm running low, and he just dropped this on me, and it's going to come in really useful because there's going to be stuff I'm printing, and I'm going to be printing some giveaways and things like that for future upcoming stuff that I've got planned, patrons and members and that. So yeah, I'm just thinking of little things that I can do. So yeah, this is going to be put to good use. So massive thank you, Ron, for thinking of me again, mate. Don't forget, folks, if you do see Ron in the live streams, give him a little thumbs up and a little bit of love and all of that lot, because he loves it all. He's got a YouTube channel as well, folks. I'll pop a link in the video when I've done on this. In the meantime, thanks, Ron, for thinking of me again, mate, and I will see you on the next one, folks. Take care. Bye-bye. Huggy, huggy.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down,